Rena from rena.ca, and this is how to clean your front-end loading washing machine. The first thing you want to remember is to use the right product for the job. HE. This is the best product because it's made for front-end loading washing machines. If you use regular detergent, you run the risk of building up mildew in your machine. This can hurt your machine and also leave stains on your clothing. The next thing to do is to clean the detergent dispenser. Now, some of the newer models actually come out all the way. You can push a button at the back and the dispenser will come out. Using dish soap and water and a clean cloth, wipe the inside of the dispenser in each area to get it clean. If you have a soap dispenser that does not pull out all the way, there's a solution for that too. Using good old-fashioned lemon juice, pour that into the dispensers. Add to that some baking soda, and you'll notice that it's going to bubble up. Take an old toothbrush and run it through each area of the dispenser and the bleach and softener compartments. No need to rinse. It's also very important to maintain the inside of the washing machine drum. So every once in a while, after you've done your loads of wash, take a clean towel and wipe the inside of the drum. Doing this will keep it from smelling like mildew and must. You also want to wipe underneath the seal of the washing machine because you'll notice that hair and different debris will add up and build up in there. And this can make your clothes smell. Another easy way to clean the washing machine inside is by running about a quarter cup of white vinegar through the cycle. You can do this when your clothes are in the cycle or when the machine is empty. Your clothes won't smell like vinegar. This will clean out your entire machine and it doesn't cost much money. And if you don't have vinegar, you can always use borax in the same way. You need a few tablespoons of borax, put it into the washing machine and run it as usual. And again, clothes can be in the machine or not in the machine. It won't make a difference. Some of the newer models of washing machines contain a filter at the bottom of the machine. Open up the door, and before you even attempt to clean the filter, put a towel underneath the door, because when you turn the knob, the water may flow out of your machine. It's important to clean this once in a while because bobby pins, hair, toothpicks, and all kinds of different things can get stuck in this filter. Using dish soap and water, clean the filter and replace it, making sure that you turn it tightly so that no water seeps out during the wash. Close up the door. And that's how you clean a front-end loading washing machine. I'm Rena from rena.ca.